Meaning of hole.
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 Hole. The word hole typically refers to an opening or hollow space in a solid object. It can be natural, such as a hole in the ground, or man-made, such as a hole in a wall. The size, shape, and location of a hole can vary greatly depending on the context, and it can have different meanings depending on the situation. Some common associations with the word hole include emptiness, darkness, and a lack of completeness or wholeness. Overall, the word hole often connotes a sense of absence or something missing.